Why does your scanner show the P0441 engine code? What does it mean? P0441 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission Control EVAP system incorrect purge flow. This engine code indicates that this means the purge valve, which regulates the flow of fuel vapors from a charcoal canister into the engine for burning, is either stuck open or closed, or there is a leak or restriction in the system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: loose or faulty gas cap, faulty purge valve, damaged or clogged EVAP hoses or lines, damaged charcoal canister, electrical circuit issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Audi, Dodge, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.